Yeah, hi friends. So I'm showing you here how I have used Claude to build a chatbot. So I have opened my VS Code and I have installed the extension Claude Code for VS Code in my Visual Studio. And I have generated a couple of files there, as you can see. And Claude is, automatically building the code. And here I have two windows. One is chat, where I can do the conversation, and one is the Claude Code, where it can generate a code for my application. And I'm giving a prompt here, which is create a Streamlit chatbot using Amazon Bedrock Large Model. So you can see how easily and fast it would create a complete chatbot. Let's try this. And I'm wondering the kind of words Claude is using while it is generating the things. It's really quite different. Like you can see it accomplishing, mastering, and all different words, forming. So it's like I'm talking to a maybe senior engineer or a senior solution architect who is overthinking and using these words. So you can observe different words are coming up and it is doing the work. And whenever it has something to write, it's asking for the permission. So it's writing in my file app.py. Let's do yes. It is also showing me the changes which is happening and the code that is generating. And again, we can observe the different word it is generating here, calculating, channeling, and so on. Next, it is making the changes to the read.mt file. Let's do that. And then next is again some changes. So here is the terminal, and above you can see all the files. You can see it's using Claude Sonnet 4.5. It is building a UI as well for me that would run on the Streamlit. We can see the words coming up: tinkering, noodling, considering, and so on. Next is quickstart.md. So whatever is generating, that is showing in with the green highlight. Now it's going to have a connectivity with the Bedrock. So generating the file automatically, test underscore bedrock.py, processing it. This is really amazing. Without doing anything, we can build a chatbot. No coding, no generating files, and you can see the chatbot is ready to use with the AWS Bedrock account. So to run this, we need to do this installation. So let's run this in the terminal. So here is my terminal. Let's run it. So that it will install the couple of softwares and the packages needed. Next is AWS configure. So this I already have in my file. That is the .env file. I have already that. Let me show you. So in .env file, I have all this for AWS configure. And next is we need to test the connection. So let's do that here. It is checking the credentials, initializing it. You can see, I hope everything is fine. Yes, we are ready to run. And our last command is streamlit run app.py. Let's do that. Yes. Let's try some questions. What is thinking? What is an API? And we can see the answer here is how Amazon Bedrock integrates with dot. Let's try one more. And we got the amazing answer. So you can see plot models which are available in Bedrock as well, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, Opus, Claude 3 Haiku, and through its API calls, we can use any of them. We have this model ID as well, which we can get from Amazon documentation, AWS documentation part. That's it, guys. We have seen how easy it is to create a chatbot without coding, without generating files as well through the Claude. Thank you so much.